Hi everyone, welcome to the session. This video is about giving an overview on the Oracle Rodot solution. Rodot is a rapid offer delivery and order design framework which Oracle has developed. This is to deliver the offer and the order management through various systems to improve the framework which is implemented in various telecommunication industries. So Rodot consists of basically some systems like Siebel CRM, Oracle OSM, and Oracle BRM, and PH4C, and all of these systems are getting integrated through a middleware system which is AIA. So this at the front end, the Siebel CRM system gets the order details and capture the order and maintains the customer status, and it's basically a 360-degree customer view it gives. So Siebel CRM is the front end application which is receiving orders from the users or from various different channels. So with Siebel CRM in the Rodot, there is a OSM application. OSM is responsible for doing the order decomposition and order orchestration once it receives the order from Siebel CRM. So uh, it gets this information through a middleware which is again Oracle product AIA. Then other than OSM, there is a billing system which is Oracle BRM. So OSM, when it orchestrates or does the order delivery, it will talk to multiple systems to complete the order journey. So once it receives the order, it will decompose the order, and there are two components in OSM. One is OSM COM and one is OSM SOM. So OSM COM is part of Rodot, whereas OSM COM is a part of a different framework. So OSM SOM is from RS. It's called RS dot. So SOM is service order management and COM is central order management. So first, when it receives the order, OSM COM is going to decompose it and first initiate or sync the customer to the billing system and receive the response and initiate the billing in the billing system. Then the next step is COM is going to send the request to provisioning to SOM for provisioning and activation activities. So both of these are through the middleware application, and once the order is completed in provisioning, it will again send a request to BRM billing system to start the billing or fulfill the billing. So this is the framework we have for order delivery. Then when we do the offer design, there is another application called PH4C, which is the product hub for communications. So PH4C again is part of Rodot, and offers are initially created in PH4C, and they are synchronized to systems like Siebel CRM and OSM, and it is also sent to BRM. So if the offers or the product classes are created in PS, product definitions are done in PH4C and sync to the various systems before they can start just accepting orders. So product design is done here in PH4C in the Rodot. So Rodot essentially, so these four applications along with AIA is a part of Rodot, whereas Rodot also interacts with OSM SOM, and there are applications like Oracle ASAP for doing the activation, and UIM for doing the inventory management, they are part of, say, RS dot. So RS dot is a separate framework which is which takes care of service fulfillment. So here we have the network where we do the activations. So ASAP will basically talk to the network. So apart from this, we are also using wherever we have integration, we are using AIA. So Oracle do provide AIA pips or process integration packs to which is these process, the common processes which are there for communication or telco industry is all the processes are already defined, and we can use these pips and come up with the out of the box scenarios like customer creation or product creation, and various orders like create, suspend, resume. So this is about the diagram of the rodot, and there is another diagram which is showing these are the systems which are shown in red are part of rodot. So as we discussed, Siebel CRM, OSM, BRM, Product Hub, and Design Studio is a part of OSM. So AIA is doing all the integration work between the systems, and this architecture helps in completing the orders with minimum failure and recovering from the failure, and it's it will help in reducing the time to market for products. So these are the benefits of this architecture. So as we discussed the role of different applications, uh, you can go through this points. So this explains what all every application is doing. Like Siebel CRM is doing order capture. It is storing. It is holding the 360-degree customer view. It is doing customer support. OSM is when order delivery comes, so it does the orchestration. It follows these 4 steps to complete the order and send the status back to Siebel. So it does also fallout management and creating error tickets when there is any error. BRM is for responsible for rating, billing, receiving updates from CRM. AIA is our integration system. We are using pips for doing integrating some out of the box processes, so it takes less time to uh, come up with the out of the box or the known flows, known processes. Product Hub PH4C is the hub or the master for the product and offer design. Thanks for listening to this video.